We are going to NONIE'S restaurant, Rank 1 restaurant in Boracay. And we will be reviewing that too. So see you guys. NONIE'S restaurant. When was the last time you ride a trike?
I don't know. When I was 16, because when I went back 10 years ago, I didn't even ride a tricycle. I rode the van, the car, the jeepney, but I never rode a tricycle 10 years ago. So maybe when I was 16.
Okay, we are here.
Excited to eat here, guys.
Hey guys, good evening. I'm here in NONIE'S restaurant. This is another review of a restaurant in Boracay. By the way, congratulations, your restaurant is ranked 1 in the whole Boracay if you search that, guys.
Hey everyone, my name is Patrick, Filipino-Canadian. I started this restaurant together with my wife. Unfortunately, she's not here right now. But yeah, we started it about a year ago, so we've only been open for about 11 months.
Wow, 11 months. What's unique about your restaurant?
And there's a lot of really good restaurants in Boracay, but we felt we needed something healthy, sort of a healthy concept, which we felt was a bit lacking. In addition to just being healthy, we also wanted to really highlight Filipino ingredients.
Okay.
So I would say our food is not traditional Filipino food, but Filipino inspired. I think what makes us unique, which we work with small farmers, and we try to buy direct from them.
So you're telling me that your foods are all organic, right?
I wouldn't say all organic. The organic certification in the Philippines is a bit disorganized, but we do have some certified organic items like our lettuce, for example. But most important for us is that we try to source our ingredients locally, either Filipino, so we don't really import much, or ideally from just Visayas region.
Let's talk about your menu.
If you look at the menu, you'll see the theme for the menu is healthy, and we just try to use unique Filipino ingredients. You know, everything from meat, we don't use any imported meat, just local Filipino meat. We have both vegetarian and meat options, but we are very vegetarian and vegan friendly. And I would say our best sellers are Filipino items, like our adobo, our beef bistek, our chicken longanisa, our kare-kare. But each dish, again, it's not traditional Filipino food. We put our own healthy twist on it.
Is this your first branch, right?
Yeah, it's our first business.
First business. Tell me about the operating hours.
We're open from 7 a.m. and we close at 10 p.m.
10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Monday till
7
Sunday.
days a week.
Wow. I'm really impressed because 11 months operating this restaurant, you reach rank 1. So what can you tell to our viewers and future customers?
I guess the message today is that I hope we have more support of local Filipino goods, produce, whether it's handcraft goods or if it's food. whatever. I think the country has a lot to offer.
If you want to check out NONIE'S restaurant, it's located
So we're located in the new Station X.
Station X.
We're on the boundary of Station 2 and 3 on the main road.
All right. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for having me here.
Thank you.
So I'll have that detox juice and then black organic
Vegan, we have
rice.
also vegan sisig.
Really? Vegan sisig?
It's made of shiitake mushroom and tofu.
Wow, I love it. Okay, I'll have vegan sisig then. Okay.
Vegan sisig.
Tofu sada then, please.
Tofu salad.
Yeah, I'll have that. I'm done now. You guys.
Lemongrass calamansi, sticky pork ribs, the 72-hour pork belly.
Side of pork belly, sir.
Yeah, just sides.
Try our pesto chicken and pork belly.
Yeah, that one. Does that come with rice?
Yes, sir. Black rice.
Yeah.
Stick to that.
And how about drink?
Yes, sir. We have the smoothies.
Okay.
We have the.
Choose for me.
Okay, so we have here, sir, one of the best is the rehydration.
Okay.
So it's made of strawberry and watermelon. Rehydration milk. So it's mixed strawberry, watermelon, apple.
Oh, okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this salad. Looks so delicious. This one, by the way, is black rice. Can't wait to try that. And this one is my brother's food. I think that's chicken, pork, and black rice. We have here pork for my brothers. This one is vegan sisig, guys. Can you believe it? Vegan sisig. It's made out of, I believe it's made out of shiitake, mushrooms, and tofu. This one is some chicken and I believe pork for my brother. That one, I'm not sure what this one is called, but yeah, it just looks like that. So yeah, we also have some juice. My one is beetroot with other fruits. I believe this one is called detox. Some, I don't know, apple juice. I don't know what that one is, but this one is lean green. So yeah.
Till the time I see your eyes, want me tell them the roots and stand. I look it on the camera, me see the eye, me tell you. You know Boracay Island, you know the roots and style and passion. This is your flash it on the eye and then a flash it on the beat, flash it on the sea, all type of style.